Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Galaxy Z Fold 3 release date, price, and specs. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. So improved at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 with gesture control function. Samsung sees opportunities to provide future Galaxy Z Fold foldable smartphones with convenient swipe and pinch gesture controls. Samsung is the undisputed market leader in foldable smartphones, with the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G being the most recent models. The South Korean manufacturer has not only released the most folding phones, but the company has also by far the most patents filed for future technologies. Ranging from advanced double folding designs to use new functions, such as a hinge indicator or the possibility to measure your blood pressure with your phone, this time Samsung Electronics has had extensive documentation recorded in which the operation of foldable smartphones is central. This mainly concerns the buttons, which are normally placed on the side of the device. Samsung Electronics filed a patent with the World Intellectual Property Office WIPO for a foldable electronic device. The 110-page documentation was published on May 20, 2021 and describes a Galaxy Z Fold smartphone with gesture functionality, replacing the physical buttons. In the current situation, it is difficult to operate the buttons on the side of the device when folded. Each button is located on one part of the housing. To operate a button, the external force is concentrated on only that part of the housing in which the physical button is located. This can cause damage to the hinge. In addition, foldable are getting slimmer, making it more and more difficult to keep enough space for the physical buttons. Samsung has found a solution to this problem. Samsung wants to eliminate the physical buttons to use gesture controls instead. You can operate the gesture functions with a simple tap or swipe when the device is used folded, and the two housing parts are placed opposite each other. The user has double the surface at his disposal to operate the virtual buttons. The number of control elements can be further specified. The gesture functions can be partially assigned by the user. A certain function can be activated with a simple tap movement such as the power button, while the user can activate another function with a swipe movement such as the volume control. Additionally, squeeze gesture functionality can be added. By making a squeeze gesture, multiple key input signals are recognized, so that another function can be activated, such as the edge window. Samsung Electronics was also awarded a patent for a Galaxy Z Flip smartphone with virtual buttons. It is certainly not inconceivable that Samsung wants to integrate such technology in future foldable smartphones, all the more because the devices are becoming thinner and the need for an alternative to physical buttons is increasing. The patent images show a Galaxy Z Fold type of smartphone that we have already encountered. The device has a narrow, elongated cover display. In addition, a triple camera is visible on the back, the bottom lens of which is rectangular in shape. This indicates the integration of a periscopic camera with a zoom lens. In May last year, Let's Go Digital reported about a waterproof Galaxy Fold smartphone, showing the same design. Whether Samsung intends to provide the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is expected in August 2021, with gesture functionality is still unknown. Although this patent was only granted by WIPO, Samsung Electronics already filed the same patent in Korea in 2019. It should be possible nevertheless. It is certainly not inconceivable that we have to be patient until the Galaxy Z Fold 4. After all, Samsung seems to mainly focus on improving durability this time. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to have an armor frame and new UTG 2.0. In addition, the device also seems to be splash-proof. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 should come the closest to Samsung's notion of a perfect smartphone than any one of its predecessors ever did, at least based on the fact that we're finally going to see a truly full-screen device, one that even lacks an obvious display hole housing its selfie camera. That much, at least, seems to be pretty clear by now, as it was only moments ago that we've encountered another credible leak concerning Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship. This one seems to be pretty much in line with what we've been hearing about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 all throughout spring. A high-end camera setup is hardly out of the ordinary for what's likely going to be Samsung's most important release of the year. As for how high-end we're talking about here, it would appear the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will utilize no fewer than 4 cameras on the back, accompanied by another dual camera setup on the opposite end. 3 of those back modules will seemingly feature Sony-made IMX sensors, the IMX374, MX471, and the IMX555. On a less promising note, it would appear the Galaxy Z Fold3 will offer limited telephoto capabilities, even relative to its form factor. More specifically, the device is rumored to be coming with only a 2x optical zoom lens, a far cry from the 100x gimmick that Samsung's been touting as the future of mobile photography just over a year ago. Well, let me know your thought on the new camera system in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.